Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Medkar, student of B Pharma second year, 4th semester of PR Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Tadega. Today we are going to learn about proteolytic enzyme that is urokinase. The title of my presentation is urokinase. So I have divided my presentation in few parts. So let's start with the introduction. Urokinase is an enzyme produced by the kidney and sourced from human urine or kidney tissue culture. This enzyme is available in the form of freeze-dried white powder that easily dissolve in water. Its key role lies in acting as a catalyst for the body's natural fibrinolytic system, aiding in the transformation of plasminogen into plasmin. Now, synonym of urokinase. Urokinase is also known as uroquinase, euplasminogen, and urinary plasminogen activator. Next is biological source. So it is serine protease enzyme which is derived from human urine or produced by recombinant DNA technology. Now characteristic of urokinase. Urokinase enzyme occurs in two different forms as a single and double polypeptide chain forms. It has a half-life of 10 to 16 minutes after intravenous administration and it acts on an endogenous fibrinolytic system. Then chemical constituent of urokinase. It is serine protease enzyme which occurs as a single low molecular weight that is 33,000 Dalton and double high molecular weight that is 54,000 Dalton. They differ in molecular weight considerably. Single chain produced by recombinant DNA technology. It is also known as SCUPA, that is single chain urokinase plasminogen activator, which activate the plasminogen and convert into plasmin. Now we will see how urokinase is prepared, basically the preparation method of urokinase. It is a fibrinolytic enzyme produced by recombinant DNA using genetically manipulated E. coli cell. It is produced firstly as pro-urokinase and then converted to active form by plasmin. Urokinase is used medicinally and it is also purified directly from human urine. It binds to a range of adsorbents such as silica gel or kaolin, which can be used to initially concentrate and purify the product. It can be further purified by precipitation with sodium chloride or ethanol or by chromatography. Human urokinase needs sterile filtration and septic filling and freeze drying. Now isolation procedure of urokinase. In human urine, sodium benzoate and dilute HCl is added at pH 4.5. Then precipitate is formed. After filtration of the precipitate, benzoic acid and acetone is added. Acetone is added to dissolve the benzoic acid and then urokinase is precipitated out. Then it is washed with ether and acetone and dried. Ion exchange chromatography is used for the isolation using phosphate buffer and then it is lyophilized to get the powdered form of the urokinase enzyme. Uses of urokinase. It is commonly employed as a thrombolytic agent. It is used in the treatment of heart attack, pulmonary embolism, myocardial infarction and venous thrombosis. Now marketed preparation. There are various companies which formulate urokinase. Some of them are Livokinase marketed by Liv Biopharma, Kinlytics marketed by Microbix Biosystem. Now side effect of urokinase injection. Urokinase injection can cause allergic reaction, nausea, vomiting, injection site bleeding, decreased blood pressure that is low BP. So here we discuss about synonym, biological source, characteristic, chemical constituent, preparation, isolation procedure, uses and marketed preparation and side effects of urokinase. So this is some information about my topic proteolytic enzyme that is urokinase. At the end, I am thankful to Dr. Banarse sir for his guidance and motivation. I am also thankful to Director sir and Principal sir and all faculty members for their encouragement. Thank you.